Hello, I'm JbardTutorials and welcome to another JbardTutorial. Today we're going to learn how to use the JQuery LightBox plugin, which is some JavaScript, and if you don't know what that looks like, it looks something like this. So pretty cool and nice feature to have on any website. I'll close that. So to get it, first of all you need to download it. So you can either type in JQuery LightBox at Google, it's the first link, and it's this page. Or you can download it from our tutorial page, which you've probably come from. You just click here to download it. I've already got it downloaded and I've got all my files set up in a folder, so I've got my file I want to use it on, which is called index. I've got my 3 images, which I could put in another folder but I haven't. I've got my CSS file which comes with it. I've got the images which come with it, and I've got the JavaScript. You also need jQuery for this, which does come in the download, but you could get the latest version off the jQuery website. Okay, so what I've got open here is is a brand new HTML document. I've done nothing to it, and so it's really simple to start this. All you need to do is include 3 lines of code in the head. So we take them out of there and put them in here. And these basically just include the jQuery script, the Lightbox script, and the jQuery CSS. So that's simple enough. And oh, I haven't saved it apparently. Libraries, documents, tutorial, save it as that. Yep. So they got saved, and you can link to these now. So simple enough there. And now the only other piece of code we need to put in the head is the little script which makes everything work, and that is this. So this here is script, type JavaScript, and we've got our $sign and function, and basically this is saying if there is a link with a Lightbox class, then take it to the Lightbox and we let this deal with it. We've got fixed navigation true, but you don't have to. You could take that out of there if you wanted to, if you don't want fixed navigation. Fixed navigation is the preview and next signs on the side of the pictures if you've got more than one picture. Okay, so now the next bit is really simple. We just we make a link, and we want this to go to our big image. Yep. And we want to give it a class of Lightbox. And we close that, and now we just make our image, source, and small image. So the small image is what they'll see. We'll give it a width and a height. And close the link. So the small image is what they'll see, and when they click on it, Lightbox should take it to the big image. Let's see if that works. We open that up in Firefox. There we go, see? Simple. So there's a small image, click on it, and this opens it up. Nice. And see, so the of course they don't have to click on an image to go to it. If we make another one, which goes to my originally named big image 2, also give that a class of Lightbox, then it could just be a word. So I've got flower, and if we refresh this page, we click on flower, and that goes to the other image. Now these, the fixed navigation, the preview here, and the next here, you don't have to have them, you can take them away. Now we can also do a few other things with this. We can, I would not mess around with the JavaScript or the jQuery JavaScript, it's all relatively complicated, but you can mess around the CSS a little bit if you want to play around with some things. I have messed around with it, but the basic settings are usually pretty good for most websites. Sometimes the border gets a little bit screwed and you have to mess around with this padding here, but in the Lightbox container image, but not usually. As you can see, it's fine for me. This 500 pics you might want to mess around with if your website is really long, or the picture's halfway, yeah, but never usually play around with that. So that's really how it works. It's really pretty simple, and it looks very effective, as you can see. Nice plugin there. Yeah. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to visit www.tutorial.jbard.co.nz for more awesome tutorials, and I'll catch you next time.